Solatech, the power to protect.
Unreliable power supply can damage your valuable equipment. Safeguard your valuable appliances against unpredictable main supply with Solatech protection. Switches, stabilizers, suppressors or UPSs. Solatech Volt Shield switches prevent damage from unstable supply and stop short-term disturbances created by lightning and power stations. Solatech Volt-Right stabilizers regulate your power supply and ensure equipment can still operate safely. Solatech UPSs keep equipment like computers operating temporarily in case of a blackout. Act now. Preserve your precious equipment and your peace of mind with Solatech. Solatech, protecting all your valuable equipment.
Solatech, the power to protect.